guys, it's Kathy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about reviewing another awesome palette. I don't wanna keep you on patient. It's a PLouise. This is their first palette and I was super excited and I was like, really, I have to have it in my hands. Now they make a new palette. This one, as I understood, it's gonna be discontinued from the website, so I didn't want to make myself disappointed, and the PLouise, it's here with me and with us today, so you're gonna see it, how it looks like, how the colors looking alike, and the look on my eyes is thanks to this awesome palette. The PLouise is a makeup academy. They are from the UK. They start as a small company and now they are awesome, super famous according to their base for their eyeshadow. And in my hands I'm holding their first eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette itself. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 eyeshadows. All of them are matte except the last two. I use them as a highlighter. There is a little bit silver and a little bit goldish shade of the highlighter. So for different skin tone or maybe even for different type of the eyeshadow look, you can go with the different colors. So as I mentioned, they are all matte. You can see comparing with my finger how much is a big pan where the eyeshadow stands. The colors are super pigmented, very matte, and there is no fall off from the eyeshadow. You need a really small amount on your brush so you can have really strong eye makeup look. Basically super pigmented, as I mentioned. You don't need anything more. Everything what you need from the eyeshadow is to be pigmented and doesn't have any fall off. In this case they're all matte, which is more nicer for us when we want to blend the eyeshadows. I'm super proud of this palette. The colors are awesome. Now it's autumn. Happy autumn for everybody. Now we can have these kind of shades on our eyes, something like a burgundy brown with a gold tone. And yes, this palette will give you all that in one. So if you're thinking what will be the trend in this autumn, what you should do with a makeup, just keep on watching and check how I'm creating this makeup look. But before we start with this awesome makeup look tutorial, I'm gonna show you the swatches of PLouise Makeup palette. I'm gonna use Soft Ochre, the MAC primer for the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply all over my hand where I'm planning to put the eyeshadows itself. So by the order, you're gonna see all the shades and textures, and you're gonna see how much they are pigmented, and you're gonna check their true colors. Keep on watching and enjoy how awesome is this PLouise makeup palette.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane. Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
Okay, so this is it. This is the makeup look that I create for you today. I hope you enjoy it and that you get some interesting tricks, tips, techniques how you can create this makeup look. I was really giving the best of myself because honestly I'm so in love with the colors, with the textures of this palette. I'm so happy that I took it before it sold out. Honestly guys, this is one of my favorite looks. So if you like, please give to this video a big thumb up and also subscribe on my channel so you can be informed each time when I upload something new. You can support me on that way, you can support my work. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell down below in the case you really want to know when I'm uploading something new on this YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much. I'm wishing you an awesome day. Kisses from Kathy. Bye.